These are the best body lotions and oils to combine together if you want your skin to be glowing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And do not forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So today's video is a continuation or part 3 of my previous video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 body lotions and oil combinations that works like magic for fair skin. So if you're looking for the best oil to combine with your body lotion to have that soft, beautiful, glowing skin, then you definitely need to keep on watching, because all the body lotions and oils I'm going to be showing you in this video is not only going to help moisturize your skin, it's going to give you that healthy, plump, even skin tone. So let's dive right into it. So the first body lotion and oil combination that works like magic for fair skin is the Silka papaya whitening body lotion with sunflower oil. So when it comes to picking a body lotion and oil for your fair skin, you need to go for body lotions that do not contain any form of harsh steroids, that will be able to give your skin the moisture it needs without making it to look darker. So Silka papaya body lotion is one of the best body lotion. It does not contain any form of steroid that will be quick to lighten your skin and thin out your skin along the line. Like this Silka papaya body lotion is formulated with natural ingredients like your papaya enzyme and BHA that is going to gently exfoliate your skin and give you that clear, fresh, glowing skin tone. I also love the fact that it contains vitamin B3, that is your niacinamide, that is going to help even out your skin tone and get rid of any form of dark spots on your skin. So using this Silka papaya body lotion alone is not going to lighten or whiten your skin within 7 days. It's a body lotion that will gently lighten your skin and give you that glowy effect on the skin. So combining Silka papaya body lotion with sunflower oil is going to give you that fair, spotless, glowing skin. Sunflower oil is one of the best oil for glowing skin. Like this is a non-comedogenic oil. It's not going to clog your pores or cause you any form of breakouts on the skin. It's an oil that is going to help to gradually lighten your dark spots, clear out any form of fine lines, stretch marks, or scars on your skin. So this is one of the best and perfect body oil to combine with your Silka papaya body lotion in order to have that fair, glowing looking complexion. So using this body lotion and oil combo together is going to give you that rich, fair, glowing, healthy, like you're going to love your complexion. So the second body lotion and oil combination for fair skin is the Fair and White So White body lotion with Fair and White brightening body oil. So this is another great body lotion and oil combination to use if you want your fair skin to be popping. Like the whole essence of using a body lotion and oil together is to have that glowy, soft, smooth skin without your skin getting darker or looking like you're bleaching. So using this Fair and White body lotion and oil together is definitely going to give you that fair, glowing complexion, like you're going to love your skin tone. This body lotion on its own is going to help moisturize your skin, brighten up your skin, and give you that glowy, uniform complexion. So pairing it together with the Fair and White brightening body oil is definitely going to even out your skin, blend your skin, and make your skin look plump and healthy. So like I stated in my previous video, if you want to get the best results with your Fair and White body lotion or products, just use it together with products from the same brand. Like Fair and White products works best with products from their brand. So when you pair this Fair and White body lotion with the Fair and White brightening body oil, you're going to have the best, smoothest, glowing skin ever. Body lotion is not going to bleach your skin. Like this is one product that is very good for people with fair skin. So it's going to help moisturize, nourish, and glow your fair skin. So if you want that smooth, spotless, glowing skin, then you should definitely opt in for this fair and white body lotion and oil. Like, you're going to love the combo together. It's going to give you amazing glowy effect on your skin. Like, this fair and white body lotion and oil is going to work magic on your skin. The way it's going to blend your skin and give you a uniform complexion is one thing that I really love about this body lotion. So if you want that smooth, soft, glowing fair skin, just opt in for this combo and you're going to love it on your skin. So moving on, the next or third body lotion and oil combination that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is the Nivea Even and Radiant body lotion with bio oil. See, one secret to having and maintaining that healthy glowing skin tone is by keeping your skin well moisturized. Like, if your skin is getting enough moisture that it needs, it's going to look plump and healthy at all times. So this Nivea Even and Radiant body lotion is one of the best body lotion that is going to help moisturize your skin and give your skin the moisture and hydration that it needs. Like, this particular body lotion is formulated with vitamin C that is going to help gradually brighten up your skin and give your skin the nutrients and moisture that it needs in order to glow. So pairing it together with the bio oil is going to help seal in the whole moisture into your skin and make your skin to be well moisturized. So using the Nivea Even and Radiant body lotion with bio oil together is going to help even out your skin tone and give you a uniform blended complexion. So this Nivea Even and Radiant body lotion with bio oil combination is going to help even out your skin tone and maintain that fair glowing skin. Like, this is one of the best body lotion that is going to help repair and get rid of your damaged skin. So if you have an uneven skin tone, you can actually opt in for this Nivea body lotion. It's going to definitely work magic on your skin. Like, you're going to love your skin. This is one combo that I personally have used in the past. And when I was using this, I was actually getting compliments on my skin. Like, some people were asking me what I was using at the time. So this body lotion and oil combo is definitely going to give you that fair, glowing, spotless skin tone. So moving on, the fourth body lotion and oil combination that works like magic for fair skin is the Dr. Teal's Vitamin C body lotion with Dr. Teal's lavender body oil. Like, this is another great combination to use if you want your fair skin to be glowing. Like, you're going to definitely get compliments using those body lotions and oil together. If you want people to be asking you what you're using on your skin, just try out this Dr. Teal's body lotion with the Dr. Teal's body oil. This is one body lotion that is going to help moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, plump your skin, and give you that well hydrated, glowing skin. So pairing your Dr. Teal's Vitamin C body lotion with this Dr. Teal's lavender bath and body oil is going to give you that glowy, smooth, soft, healthy looking skin. Like, this body lotion and oil is going to smoothen out your skin, give you that soft, blended, uniform complexion. Like, your fair skin is going to be popping if you're using this combo together. I actually love the fact that this body oil contains jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and aloe vera. Like, a blend of these three products together is going to give you a healing effect on the skin while smoothing and softening your skin. So this body lotion and oil is going to help brighten up your fair skin and glow your skin. So if you want your fair skin to be popping, just get this body lotion and thank me later. So the fifth or last body lotion and oil combination that works like magic for fair skin is the Medix 5.5 body lotion with Dr. Teal shea butter body oil. So like I always say, fair skin is always attractive and beautiful when it's popping without any form of spots, blemishes, or wrinkles on the skin. Like, this Medix 5.5 body lotion is one body lotion that is going to help brighten up your skin and maintain your fair skin. Like, this body lotion is formulated with vitamin C and turmeric. So this Medix 5.5 body lotion is going to help brighten up your skin while maintaining your fair skin tone. Like, this is one body lotion that is going to moisturize your skin, smoothen your skin, and give you that soft, well nourished skin tone. So pairing it together with the Dr. Teal Shea Butter Body Oil is definitely going to give you that amazing, beautiful skin tone. So using this Medix 5.5 body lotion with the Dr. Teal's body oil is going to give you that smooth, soft, glowing skin. Like, this is definitely going to work magic on your skin and make your fair skin to be popping. So this is one body lotion and oil that is not only going to help maintain and glow your fair skin, it's going to give you a rich fair skin tone. Like, your fair skin is going to be popping. Like, if you want that supple, soft, smooth looking skin tone, just get this Medix 5.5 body lotion with the Dr. Teal Shea Butter Oil. This is going to help tackle and get rid of any form of hyperpigmentation or uneven skin tone on your skin. So now let's talk about how to use your body lotions and oil together to have the best results. So some of you have been asking me, can I mix my body lotion with my body oil? Can I pour my body oil into my body lotion? Or which one should I apply first? So if you want to get the best results with your body lotion and oil, you need to apply your body lotion first and follow it up with your body oil. The reason is that when you apply your body oil first and follow it up with your body lotion is not going to penetrate through your body oil. So it's basically going to sit on your skin. But when you apply your body lotion first, due to the fact that body lotions are formulated with water, is going to help moisturize and hydrate your skin. So applying body oil on top of your body lotion is going to seal all the whole moisture and hydration you have achieved with your body lotion. So that is the essence of applying your body lotion before your body oil. So when it comes to mixing your body lotion and oil together, I will not advise you to do that. So do not mix your body lotion and oil together. If you want to do that, just take a little amount of your body lotion and a little amount of your body oil and instantly mix them together on your palm and apply it immediately to your skin. That way, you're going to help keep your skin hydrated if you have an extremely dry skin. But if not, do not pour your body lotion into your body oil and leave it to stay for a very long time. It's going to spoil the formulation of your product. So yeah, if you want to get that fair glowing skin, make sure you're exfoliating your skin and using our sunscreen. It's going to equally help give you that even glowing skin without any spots or wrinkles or blemishes on the skin. So yeah, that is it on body lotions and oil combinations that works like magic for fair skin. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.